When brute force meets precision, chaos turns into choreography. Watch as industrial beasts tear through cars, concrete, and cables with effortless strength. Every twist of metal and burst of sparks is a reminder. This is where destruction becomes an art form. Dragged by a 1,150 horsepower cat engine, a trunk as massive as a bridge pile vanishes. Sharp cracks echo, and in seconds, solid wood becomes glowing chips. Can you believe something so ancient and strong ends like breadcrumbs on steel teeth? One swing of the grapple drops waste into the EH-10R shredder. Interlocking shafts grind with a sharp crack, steel turning into tidy fragments. To me, it's like watching discipline itself. Chaos enters, order leaves. Empty cans rattle onto the conveyor, carried straight into the shredder. Blades spin, shells crackle, aluminum folds like foil in a fist. In seconds, waste turns into neat fragments, each one ready for a new story. Isn't that the essence of recycling? Endings feeding beginnings. Steel crunches under 710 horsepower, snapping sharp like a pack of cookies breaking at once. Before you even blink, the bulky scrap car is gone. What's left is only a restless cloud of fragments. Power doesn't wait for permission. Two steel plates close in, the tank trembles, and then, like a ripe melon splitting, metal bursts open. Just a few presses and the giant folds into a silent sheet. Sometimes the loudest things end in the quietest way. Four machines pull planks at once, a constant crackle filling the air. Thick wood shaped into streams of chips, pouring like rain. You might expect chaos, but what you get is rhythm, precise and almost musical. The Cenobogan 825 stretches like a steel arm, gripping the fuselage of an old aircraft. Aluminum cracks, wings fold like toys. A whole plane becomes scrap in minutes. If flight is freedom, then this moment is gravity reclaiming its depth. One by one, stubborn concrete blocks meet the jaws of the Hamel VB 950E. Steel doesn't argue. It just cracks, snaps, and ends the weight. Watch it closely. This is how resistance bows to inevitability. Brandenburg RR5 doesn't destroy a car, it reshapes it. Parts squeeze in, steel bends, glass bursts, until everything locks into a perfect cube. Look again. Isn't it strange when destruction leaves behind something so precise? A scrap car drops in, dragged straight into the shredder with a ground-shaking rumble. Steel cracks like thunder, smoke rising white. In seconds, the whole vehicle is gone. Would you dare stand close enough to feel that shock wave? The EcoStar. Hextra runs like the busiest sorting line I've ever seen, over 200 tons per hour. Metal, wood, and plastic each find their own path. What amazes is the rhythm. Not chaotic, but perfectly orchestrated, like an industrial symphony in motion. Up close, the twin blades of the SSIM-55E rotate with calm brutality. They don't rush, they persist, crushing tin after tin. The crisp pops echo like a drumbeat, steady and merciless. It proves that destruction doesn't always come fast. Sometimes, patience itself is the sharpest weapon. Before shredding, gas cylinders are fully emptied to prevent explosions. Once safe, the thick steel shell turns into valuable scrap, ready for a recycling journey that saves resources.